I just pulled open all my sentiment charts and came across something I did not expect. So I'm pretty optimistic right now, as I tend to be in general. But apparently, most people aren't. So I took an aggregate of all the Bitcoin users. These are myself. These are people like Michael Saylor and everywhere in between across the entire network. And what we're looking at here is a chart that shows their aggregate optimism levels over time, the language and choices they use, the stories they're telling, their narratives, etc. And the bottom line represents this. So normally when I do this kind of thing, I'll do a little bit of smoothing so you can really from a high level see roughly what state of the market we're in, more optimistic, more pessimistic, etc. And we're definitely in a more pessimistic area right now. But I applied as little smoothing as possible here. So you're just getting as raw version of this line as possible because it demonstrated something really interesting. We are actually completely cratering right now in the average optimism levels out there on Bitcoin Twitter. So even though the price has really ran up and MicroStrategy has been just doing fantastic, moods are low. Like, not just a little bit low, but like lower than they've been since November 2022, when the Bitcoin price was something like under 17K. Even going farther back, like you have to go back into like 2020 era, 2019, where we start getting some really huge variance. But yeah, right now, people are real bearish for some reason. But wait, Saul, you told me this was going to be like an optimistic video. What is this? Well, no, dumbass. That you don't want to see every single person be optimistic. The super optimistic times are when you probably don't want to buy quite as much Bitcoin, or you should be a little bit concerned or cautious because that means prices ran up and people are starting to overestimate. When the masses are starting to get really bearish, they're starting to be really negative and use more fearful language, is the precise time that you're usually historically in a good position to be more bullish. I don't know what the hell price is going to do. I'm going to be at the Bitcoin conference next week, so I'm going to be a little bit checked out. But I just wanted to share this with everybody really quick because I thought it was super optimistic, especially since we're sitting right on the edge of short-term holder cost basis, some other big metrics that people are watching closely. It is an interesting time, and I think we might have some fun times in front of us.